Hi everybody, welcome to week 5. Remember, this is a 7-week summer session, so we've got weeks 5, 6, and 7. So be sure that you stay focused. So if we go into module 5, I wanted to show you for each of the modules, you have the overview and the assignments, which I go over, and then you also have the chapter textbook slides, and then you have videos for, in this case, a variety of different leadership theories, motivation theories in this case. And so those supplement your reading and your quiz. And then this week, we're starting on the second general education assessment on ethical reasoning. So we take a look at the focus for this week. Is 2 chapters, Courage and Moral Leadership, and then Motivation and Engagement. So reading chapters 6 and 8 in your textbook, I just showed you the supplementary videos. Again, you've got a video quiz, a discussion board, a written assignment. There's an optional extra credit again, and then start working on the ethical reasoning assignment. Hopefully you saw the message I sent out last week. There was a mistake. There was an error on one of the correct answers for last week's video quiz, so I'm going to go in and give everybody points for that. So another video quiz for the 5th module. Your individual assignment this week is focused on leading with courage. So specifically look at section 6.5. Here, it's an opportunity for you to reflect on a situation where you will need to be courageous or one where you already exhibited courage. So think of a time in your past or one coming up when you will have to be courageous. And so I have an example clip for courage further down in the module that shows courage. Takes courage to do a lot of different things in our day-to-day life, especially in our leadership roles. So I tend to think of courage more of police officers and firefighters and soldiers in war, but everyday people need to have courage as well. So for you, I want you to apply these concepts. So tell me about the situation where you're going to need courage, and then use the specific concepts or descriptions of workplace courage and personal courage to describe what you will do or what you did do to just exhibit courage in that setting, and then describe the outcomes you hope to achieve if you exhibit courage in that situation. So again, remember the top score is for a 500-word plus response. So try to put that in your comments for your assignments if you don't get to that. Discussion board takes us to chapter 8, the Sundaz case. And so this is focusing on motivation. So 1, what would you do if you were a senior executive in this situation? So you're free to give your opinion, but really I want to see if you're able to apply the concepts from the class. 2, I'm asking you to choose one specific theory. So this is kind of what we did with the leadership theories in the previous module. And explain it first, be sure you understand it, and then explain what you would do to increase the motivation of the employees in this setting using that specific theory. Okay, so question number 3 is not about your opinion. It's about, can you take one of the specific the specific motivation theories and use it in a specific situation to make recommendations about what you should do to increase motivation. So the extra credit in this case has the eternal question that I'm always asking myself, and I'll ask you to write a response. What motivates a cadet's behavior in class? Okay, so thinking about how do you get students here to exert effort towards the class's goals? What motivates you? What motivates other cadets? And then the second part is, again, choosing a specific motivation theory and design a motivation system process approach that should motivate cadets to complete assignments on time, participate, and or study. So again, I'm looking for your ability to apply concepts from the chapter You can throw in your opinions if you want to, but I'm really interested in your use of the concept. So there are PowerPoint slides from the 2 chapters and then some video clips that support different theories in the chapter. So I have another video where I introduce the ethical reasoning assignment, so stay tuned and look for that too. Have a good week.